Teacher, good day. My name is Javier Mauricio Garzón Lopez, and this is my homework. May I take your order? Yes, I like hamburger, and large order are French fries, please. Alright, and would you like salad? Yes, I have a May green salad. Okay, what kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian, and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I like a large soda, please. My own conversation. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to our restaurant. Thank you. May I take your order? Yes, I like a chicken and a large order of rice and salad, please. Alright, and would you like potatoes? No, thank you. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I like a small soda. And would you like anything else? Yes, please. I like some water. And would you like anything else? No, thank you. That will be all.